Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious baked lemon pepper wings. To get started, we're making lemon pepper seasoning from scratch. Zest 3 lemons onto a tray and spread it out. Bake at the lowest temperature your oven can go. Mine was at 170 Fahrenheit. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes to completely dry out. Crumble the zest with your hands to make tiny pieces. Add it to a bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper. Mix it all together. And now you have homemade lemon pepper seasoning. Let's get started on the wings. Add 2 pounds of chicken wings to a bowl and pat with a paper towel to dry as best you can. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder to the wings and toss. Make sure all wings are coated. The baking powder will help to get crispy wings. Line a sheet tray with foil and give it a light spray. Add the wings to the tray spaced apart so they aren't touching. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until brown and crispy. And trust me, they will be crispy. Add the wings to a bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of the lemon pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Toss until the wings are all coated. Use as much lemon pepper seasoning as you like. You may have some left over, which will be perfect for another batch of wings or on roasted vegetables. Even after coating in the butter, these wings stayed very crispy. You won't be able to tell they weren't deep fried. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!